What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps crashing issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all close all the apps running in the background. So if there are a lot of apps that are running in the background, then tap on this recent key. Now from here you can swipe left or right the app to close it, and if you have opened too many apps, then you can tap on this cross icon to close all the apps at once. Now after clearing the recent apps or background apps, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then tap and hold on this power button. Now swipe down to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after restarting, then try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings, tap on about phone, and then tap on software update, and then it will check for available updates. So if you have any update available, then tap on download and install to update the phone's software to the latest version. And after updating the phone's software, the crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the crashing issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.